Okay, so hi there. So this is a YotaPhone, the product from Yota Devices, a Russian company. And this is the first prototype of this phone. It's called YotaPhone, and actually this is Android-based Qualcomm MSM8960 platform, powered with Android Jelly Bean version. It has two screens. The first screen is of LCD 4.3-inch screen, and on the back side there is EPD ink technology screen. So, and the second screen is not touchable because based on our concept, it should not be treated as a screen in general way. It's more kind of information pool where you store all notifications and etc. But you still can manage the information on the screen using the bottom touch zone which you have. So let me basically explain why you needed to. It's actually two screens required. What's the idea behind this? Let me show you. It's this. So we basically are always buying a cover for our phones. We would like to personalize ourselves and differentiate from others. So in this case, you can select different wallpapers, and you can based on this selection, you can put the image on the backside, and you can either connect a Facebook profile or Instagram to gather the photos from your profiles. And because it's EPD technology, it doesn't consume power, and its image stays there even when phone is discharged. It means that it opens different opportunities for us. Like if you have a boarding pass received by email, you can make like this gesture, and it will be put back to the screen. So you can use it even if the phone is discharged. The same for the maps, for example. If you started the application in Google Maps, have some direction where to go. You can actually see the map on the back side and use it as a paper map. So let's say the front screen and it's the back side of the phone. And there is also a different type of use case, because once you're using the phone, usually now, you are always checking something about new emails, new SMS, new Facebook, new tweets. You always turning on and off phone. It drains the battery first and then drains your attention at the second. So in our case, so let me show you. So let's say I have received SMS. Here is it. It appears like a notification, and it's my choice to react on this or not, because I can now talk. I will in a meeting. I can be busy, and I never dismiss it. I can just put it back. And there is also a privacy setting. So if I don't want to show something to anybody, I can make a. So now it was I did not understand from who was this message. But if I edit this, you can change the setting and it will appear more likely. So it will be the name, person, and its text. And by the way, they introduced a new emotional system. And there is a phrases and words inside SMS are analyzed by our software, and it's attached by the image. So you can send a real SMS from any phone, iPhone, Android, etc., to the phone, and it will be shown the specific way. And by the way, if you swipe this gesture, you will go to a notification window. Okay, so it's still prototype, a little bit buggy. Okay, so if you are, let's say an SMS, you can see if you make a swipe like this, you are going the messaging. And also there are many different use cases, like it could be your calendar, could be pop-up. You can see notification about your message, and it doesn't consume your power, and it keeps you more in the real world, because you just can look on it and see if it's really important for you. You're not required to turn your phone each time to check something. And that's because we also decided to introduce some kind of social way. So you can start a Twitter and RSS on Facebook, and information will be updated in real time. And you can always be online and having understanding. If you need a comment on this, you can just come back to the front screen application of Twitter, and the same as for other social networks.
You can control in some way the feed in the other screen. You can.
Yeah, basically you can. First of all, it's updated automatically. And second one, you can also use a swipe gesture to, for example, swipe pages between tweets in order to find a new one. And for example, if you have a book, read the book, and because it's e-reader, you can still have ebook reading here. To check. Yeah, let me show it's a real thing like it's Twitter. Oh, it's not login, so maybe Facebook. Yeah. For example, it loads your Facebook pages, and here is it. There is a latest Facebook page loaded, and you can change the posts, different posts, and